It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 20th of August. I'm Michael Groff. Active weather expected to continue with numerous showers and thunderstorms firing up this afternoon and tonight. Heavy rain and flooding will still be a possibility, along with a few strong storms that could produce some gusty, perhaps damaging straight-line winds, some small hail, and of course, plenty of lightning. We still expect scattered to numerous storms tomorrow, but then things will calm down a bit for Monday into Tuesday, and then we enter quite a bit of forecast uncertainty thereafter. The good news is that temperatures are likely to remain below normal through much of the forecast period. All right, let's get into it here. Looking at the Almanac from yesterday, 99 degrees the afternoon high, 78 was the morning low, and that is below those climatological averages of 105 and 84. We picked up 0.04 of an inch of rain officially at Sky Harbor. Some of you saw quite a bit more than that. And so for the month, we're at 0.81 of an inch, still way behind on rainfall for the year, however. And as we take a look outside right now at 12:05 p.m., the sky is getting a bit darker, even a few light showers visible there on the horizon. Scattered thunderstorms are developing over southern Arizona. And at this hour, we're sitting at 91 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it is just air you have to cut with a knife. Dew point way up at 72. It's tropical out. Relative humidity 53%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. The weather pattern here across the southwest, yes, we still have troughing over the area, and that is creating a very unsettled, unstable air mass here across the region. So scattered to numerous thunderstorms will fire up this afternoon, and they will be capable of heavy rain. But there could be a few strong storms as well, with stronger winds and better instability profiles aloft. Here's the watch warning map and two areas of concern. First of all, over South Texas, there's a tropical storm warning with our potential tropical cyclone down there as it's about to make landfall into northeast Mexico. And heavy rain and some gusty winds will be likely down that way. We still have a flood watch in effect here for south central Arizona, including Phoenix, and that runs through 11 p.m. this evening. The convective outlook for today, we've got a risk of severe storms over portions of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Saturday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1/2 inch. An inch or two up across the rim country, the eastern mountains, and in southeast Arizona. But as always, your amount will vary. All right, let's talk about the details of this current weather pattern, and to do that, we'll take a look at the models, see what's going on. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. All right, broad troughing continues here over the desert southwest. An unsettled, unstable air mass continues. So what it means down at the surface, numerous showers and thunderstorms develop this afternoon, much as we saw yesterday. And they will be capable of producing heavy rain and local flooding with the atmosphere being as saturated as it is. But with that added instability, yes, there is still a chance of some strong, gusty, perhaps even damaging winds. And of course, small hail and plenty of lightning. High temperatures for the rest of the afternoon, only managing to make it up into the mid-90s or so. Tonight, numerous showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then things should start to quiet down a bit late. Overnight lows mostly in the 70s, and then tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms around, most numerous in the afternoon hours. And yes, they could still put down some locally heavy rain, but we'll begin to transition into slightly drier conditions as we go through the day. And high temperatures still only in the low to middle 90s. A fairly quiet day expected here on Monday. Yes, there could still be an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but I think most of those should be confined to the higher terrain. High temperatures here still only in the mid to upper 90s. On Tuesday, mid-90s to around 100, with scattered, mainly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And then the forecast uncertainty grows here as we go into the middle and latter portion of the upcoming week. There are a number of scenarios that could play out, and without going through all of them, let's just say that we do anticipate moisture to stick around, at least to some degree. And so we'll continue a broad brush forecast of scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, and high temperatures, again, remaining several degrees below normal. As we go to a week from today, this is Saturday, the 27th. And again, we still expect scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms to be present here, with troughing off to the north and east of us, a ridge developing over the Pacific Northwest. And that will continue as we go out 10 days. This is Monday, the 29th. Look at that, 594 ridge over the Pacific Northwest. If that occurs as advertised, we would see evidence of stronger east to northeasterly flow developing here and maybe another inverted trough sneaking into the region for scattered showers and thunderstorms to continue in a rather unsettled look, perhaps way out there toward the end of the month. But again, this is way out there and a lot is likely to change. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 3rd of September, and this is coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is still up there over 1.25 inches or so. And temperatures off the European ensemble, and this isn't bad at all. I mean, we're going to close out August with readings, generally speaking, a bit below average. Maybe take what you see on the European at face value, only because these numbers are probably a couple of degrees lower than they likely will turn out. But all in all, no sign of any major heat wave coming in. And I'm going to ask the question again, are we done with 110-degree days for this summer? I hope so. I'm not convinced completely, but it looks more and more likely the further along we get into August and heading towards September. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, I don't really need to tell you this. This is YouTube, so of course you know to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And on that note, I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for all of your lovely comments yesterday following the passing of Michelle's father. Once again, I know I say this all the time, and maybe it just sounds sappy and overly sentimental, but I really do have the best audience. You guys are amazing, and I really do appreciate all of your support and all of your emotional generosity. It is greatly appreciated, far beyond anything I could ever articulate. Okay, now ordinarily, this would be the part in the video where I tell you, the music fans out there, to check out my streaming station called KMGX, but unfortunately, it will be down for the next couple of days or few days while we move servers. So I'm still going to leave a link to it in the description because it will be back. And also, I'm just kind of lazy and don't want to take it out of there just to have to add the link back in. Look, time's a valuable thing. And yeah, well, and I think it's just the laziness thing more than anything else. All right. Once again, thank you so much for watching. You guys, be safe. And even though temperatures are a bit lower out there, I still want you to stay cool, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and have yourselves a terrific rest of your Saturday.